Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you to make a sauce that's so easy that my friend Eloise, who's 6 years old?
Yes.
Who's 6 years old can make it. So if I can make it and Ellie can make it, we know you can make it, right?
Yes.
Okay, Ellie, so we've made that beautiful gnocchi. We've made a couple of other sauces. Now we're going to make a sauce that I think is the simplest one of all.
Yeah.
Blue cheese, and we tried this earlier and you're not sure about the blue cheese, but when it's mixed with the walnuts and the gnocchi, it's going to be very soft. Do you trust me?
Yes.
Okay, we'll give it a try.
Yes.
Doesn't smell bad, does it?
No.
Okay, so we have our blue cheese there, which is Gorgonzola dolce. We have our walnuts here, which I'm just going to give a quick chop up to, and we have some cream, just some regular cream here.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to make our little sauce first, because once it's made, it can sit aside while we reheat that gnocchi that we made earlier.
Yep.
Okay, let's go to the stove, and we're going to melt our Gorgonzola into our cream, and then we'll heat our gnocchi. Now, Ellie, remember I said this was easy, right? This is how easy it is. In with our cream, in with that blue cheese, and we're just going to pop that over a low heat, give it a bit of a stir around until the cheese melts. The only other thing we want to add is a little bit of black pepper. Could be white pepper, but I like black pepper. There we go. So there we are, that's nearly melted. We'll just wait for those last little bits of Gorgonzola to melt, and then we'll pop our gnocchi on to heat back up.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so Ellie, our gnocchi's floating. We'll give it a good drain into our sauce. Okay, Ellie, I think that's the last of our gnocchi. So we'll turn that off. In with our walnuts. We give that a good stir around in the sauce. Oh, that smells so good.
Let me have a smell.
Get in there. Smell good?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Let's take this back to the bench where we can plate it up and pop our chives on, okay?
Yeah.
So, have a smell. What do you think, Ellie? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was very definitive. I'm glad. So we've got our cream, our blue cheese, and our walnuts in there. I have a little bit of chopped up chives. Look, it could be parsley, it could be basil, it could be anything you like, but I like chives for this one.
Yeah.
And I'm going to ask you to hang on to that last little bit of chives to put over the top once I've plated it up.
Okay.
And let's pop that. Oh, and that cheese is making it nice and stringy. Okay.
Look how good that is.
Look how good that is indeed.
I think that should be 10 out of 10.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's wait till we taste it and see and make sure. Now you sprinkle those last few chives over the top. You might need to use your fingers. They might be stuck. Are they stuck? There we go. That's it. Yum. Let me get a fork. Okay. Are you ready for the taste test?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not sure about this blue cheese, are you?
No.
But you're going to trust me and give it a try, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just for you guys.
Just for me. Okay. Remember, it's going to be hot. Tell me what you think.
And for you guys.
And for you guys there too. Okay, I'll go with you. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Blue cheese, walnuts, chives, yum. You want more? Can't talk with mouthful, can you? Okay. Enjoy. Thank you, Ellie.